how to turn on or turn off mobile data roaming on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and you will see first option is Connections. Click on Connections. After click on Connections, click on scroll down and click on Mobile Networks. After click on mobile networks, you will see first option is data roaming. If you want to turn on data roaming, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see data roaming is turned on. If you want to turn off data roaming, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see data roaming is turned off. You will turn on or turn off data roaming from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off mobile data roaming on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.